let's focus on intentional belly breathing. So when did we book this training? A year ago, 6 months? Yeah, so back when I was shredded. So I used to have like this 8-pack, and then Elizabeth's like, I need to do the training. I'm like, again, fine, I'm kidding. And then all of a sudden, I'm like, oh, I gotta get in shape. I'm in round so that you can see the visual aid for my belly breathing, which is, anybody buying this at all? Nothing? Okay, good. Someone's like, I never, okay, fine, so. 2 hands on your belly. What you're going to do is you're going to make your belly big. You're going to use your stomach muscles. They are there. I promise. They may be well hidden, but they are there. Okay, so what you do, if you didn't have stomach muscles, you literally be walking around like this because your ab muscles wouldn't be. That's like not having a bicep. And then your arm is straight the whole time because the bicep is the thing that contracts it. Okay, so big belly breath in. Make your belly big. Okay? And then when you breathe out, you're going to pull your belly in, like, you know, when you walk in front of on the beach the first time after you're not working out, or in front of your mirror, or in front of that person that you lied to about being ready for their wedding. And, you know they're going to be divorced in 5 years, so why not? Right? So you pull it in. Now breathe in, make your belly big. And breathe out, make your belly small. Now you're actually going to be, if you're doing this, engaging your stomach muscles. Okay, so breathe in, make your belly big. Breathe out, make your belly small. Breathe in, make your belly big. Breathe out, make your belly small. Okay, so that's your belly breathing. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.